The mother was kneeling to pray for the loved ones that were far away. And there by her side heard one joyous cry, knelt down with her that day. Then came a knock on the door, your boy is commanded to war. No, Captain, please, here on my knees. I seek for one I adore. Don't take my darling boy away from me. Don't send him off to war. You took his father and brother free. Now you come back for more. Who are the heroes that fight your